What is Pi Day? Well, let's start by answering what is pi. Pi is a mathematical term that represents the ratio of the circumference of the circle to the diameter of the circle. Every circle, regardless of its size, has the same circumference ratio to diameter. The Greek letter is often used to represent pi. Pi Day is a holiday observed on March 14th, or 3/14. Do you know why it is celebrated on this day? It's because pi starts with 3.14, and this is also the date when written down for March 14th. The first ever Pi Day was celebrated in 1988 in California by a scientist named Larry Shaw, who loved pi. But how are you supposed to celebrate this mathematical holiday? Many people honour Pi Day by baking and eating pies. Pie and pie are pronounced the same, and since pies are very tasty circular treats, they are perfect for Pi Day. Pi has an infinite number of digits in its decimal representation. So I suppose you're wondering, what is pi to 100 decimal places? The first 100 decimals of pi are 3.141592653589793233846, 26433833279, 502884191, 69399375110, 5820974944, 5923078164, 06286208998628034825342117067069. Wow. Well, next time you want that number, maybe ask someone else. In fact, did you know that you can ask your smart speaker this exact question and it will tell you the answer? Why not try it when you get home? And I promise it won't annoy anyone. Enjoy Pi Day this year, alongside many maths teachers, mathematicians, and those who love maths who will be celebrating too. Thanks for watching.